The Supreme Court has restored nationwide access to the abortion pill mifepristone for now. In a brief order, Justice Samuel Alito paused a lower court ruling that prevented abortion providers from prescribing pills by mail or through telehealth appointments. Justice Alito issued the administrative stay on his own since he is the justice assigned to handle emergency applications for the region covered by the Fifth Circuit. The order stands until May 11th, but Justice Alito requested parties file briefs by Thursday, and then the full court will decide how to proceed. Joining us to explain what has been happening in the courts is Michael New, an assistant professor of practice at the Catholic University of America and senior associate scholar at the Charlotte Lozier Institute. Today, the Supreme Court blocked a lower court's decision to ban the mailing of the abortion pill mifepristone. What happens after the stay on the order expires on May 11th?
That's a good question. I mean, the Supreme Court has required that both parties file legal briefs by Thursday, and then the Supreme Court is going to decide what to do. They may let the Fifth Circuit Court's decisions stand and put a ban on telehealth abortions. They may invite oral arguments. We don't know. We can't predict with certainty. What happened today was kind of pro forma procedural. Justice Alito handles disputes that come out of the Fifth Circuit, or he handles emergency petitions. So all we know is that petitions are going to be filed by this Thursday, and then by May 11th, we'll have some clarity about how the court will proceed.
Can you explain the Food and Drug Administration's history with the regulation of chemical abortions and how it's become available through mail?
Sure, the Food and Drug Administration first approved the chemical abortion pill during the Clinton administration in the year 2000. And when they first approved it, they actually required that women seeking chemical abortions had to make 3 in-person visits to medical professionals in order to have a chemical abortion. That got reduced to 1 visit in 2016 by the FDA. And then during the COVID pandemic in 2021, they basically allowed for telehealth abortions, which allowed for women to obtain these chemical abortion pills without any in-person visits to a medical provider. Now, that was supposed to be a temporary measure during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, sadly, the Biden administration and even the Trump administration have continued this unwise policy and have allowed for women to obtain these chemical abortion drugs without an in-person visit.
How widespread are telehealth abortion drugs, and why are they able to so effectively undermine pro-life laws?
They're very prevalent. According to the most recent data we have, in 2024, there were over 240,000 telehealth abortions done in the United States. The most recent data we have from the Society of Family Planning indicates that about 28% of all abortions are telehealth abortions. So it's a large number, and they really do undermine a lot of the good, strong pro-life laws that have been enacted since the Dobbs decision, because women living in states with these strong pro-life laws like Texas, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi can simply go online, order these pills, and it really does undermine, weaken these good pro-life laws that have been passed since Dobbs.
Michael New, thank you so much.
Well, thanks for having me. Much appreciated.